What if I told you that you don't need a warehouse? You don't need inventory. You don't even need to touch the products you sell to build a full-time income online. Sounds like a scam, that's what I thought, until I saw a 17-year-old making more money than my boss all from his bedroom. This is the untold truth of dropshipping, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start it, from scratch. With zero experience, what is dropshipping? Yes. Dropshipping is an e-commerce business model where you sell products online without ever stocking them yourself. Here's how it works. You set up an online store. The customer places an order. You forward the order to a supplier. Supplier ships the product directly to your customer. You never handle the product. You only handle the branding, marketing, and customer experience. Some of the biggest Shopify stores you've seen don't own any inventory. It's not even a warehouse. In 2012, a college dropout named Alex opened an online store to sell watches. He didn't have stock. He partnered with a Chinese supplier and posted product photos online. His first ad campaign flopped, but instead of quitting, he studied Facebook ads like crazy. He discovered a trick using emotional storytelling in his ads. He tried again. He made $3,000 in one day. The next month, over $100,000. He scaled, optimized, and turned it into $1 million store. All with no employees, no inventory, and no office. This was the rise of dropshipping, a revolution in online business. Why dropshipping works? Let's break down the psychology of why dropshipping is so powerful. Low barrier to entry. You don't need $10,000 to start. You can start with less than $100. No inventory risk. You don't buy anything unless someone has already paid you. Freedom. You can run your store from anywhere, even while traveling. But the real power? Scalability. If one product works, you can scale it to thousands of customers using paid ads. You're not limited by stock or storage. But here's the problem. Everyone thinks it's easy, so they copy each other. And that's exactly why most beginners fail. How to start dropshipping. Here's your step-by-step beginner's roadmap. Step 1. Choose a niche. Pick a niche that solves a real problem or taps into passion. Examples: pet products, beauty and skincare, home workout gear, tech gadgets. Avoid generic, overused categories like LED lights unless you add branding. Step 2. Find a winning product. A winning product is 70% of your success. Tools: AliExpress, Zine Drop, CJ Dropshipping, Ecom Hunt, TikTok made me buy it, look for. High demand, low competition, good profit margin. Solves a pain point or emotional desire. Step 3. Set up your store. Use Shopify for fast setup. Pick a clean theme, create a killer product page, add trust badges, clear images, short videos. Pro tip: write copy like you're talking to a friend. Focus on benefits, not features. Step 4. Connect a supplier. Install DSOs or Zine Drop to automate order fulfillment from AliExpress or US-based suppliers. Step 5. Launch your marketing. Start with TikTok, organic or Facebook, Instagram ads. Organic strategy: create 3 to 5 short videos daily, show the product in use, add storytelling or problem solution angle. Paid strategy: start with $20, $50, day test. 3 to 5 AD creatives optimized based on CTR and ROAS. Bonus tip: use UGC for trust building ads. Common traps and mistakes. Most people fail dropshipping because they treat it like a get-rich-quick scheme. Here's what kills 90% of stores. Choosing oversaturated products. Poor ad creatives, slow shipping from China, no customer service plan. Giving up after first failure. Every big dropshipper you see today failed multiple times before they found a winning product. Failure is part of the game, but quitting isn't. What makes a dropshipping store successful? It's not about how pretty your store looks. It's about how well it sells. Here's what winners focus on: great product, strong product video, add clear offer fast, reliable shipping, excellent customer support, upsells, and email marketing. A successful dropshipping store is more like a direct response marketing machine than a traditional business, scaling to $10,000 month and beyond. Oh, you made your first few sales? Now what? Here's how to scale. Test more creatives. Don't rely on one video ad. Use lookalike audiences on Facebook. Retarget website visitors. Add upsells Bundles improve LTV with email flows. Reinvest profits into testing new products, improving branding. Faster shipping methods. Many dropshippers switch to branded dropshipping. Once they hit $10,000 a month, custom packaging, private labeling, and better customer loyalty. Is dropshipping dead in 2025? Isn't dropshipping saturated now? This question comes up every year and it's still wrong. Dropshipping isn't dead. Lazy dropshipping is. It's changed. Customers expect faster shipping. Generic products no longer work. TikTok changed how we discover products. What works now? Building a brand. UGC content storytelling adds faster fulfillment options. Dropshipping in 2025 is all about value and experience. It's not just products. If you're watching this, you're already ahead of 90% of people. You're not just scrolling. You're looking to build something real. You don't need a business degree. You don't need thousands of dollars. But you do need commitment, patience, and the courage to take the first step. Your first store might flop, but your second one could change your life. Imagine waking up and seeing sales coming in while you sleep. Imagine telling your boss, "I don't need this job anymore." That's what's possible with dropshipping. If you're ready to put in the work, don't just watch and forget. Pause this video and write down your store idea. Set up your Shopify trial today. Start testing. If you want more step-by-step help, hit subscribe and turn on notifications because we're just getting started. Dropshipping changed my life. Maybe it's time. Changes yours too.